Hey Ma, I'm about to show you how to use the internet. Okay? So, first thing, you need to find this icon. It might be in a different page if you have a bunch of them, right? It could be right here, it could be over here, it could be anywhere, right? But just look for this icon, right? When you find it, go ahead and click on it. It don't matter if you click on that one or that one, it don't matter. Just click on it, right? So, your browser should open, right? This is the internet. This is where you search things that you want or go to websites, right? So let's say you wanted to go to Amazon. See at the bottom, there's a little square. It says search or enter website. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and click on it. And then this will open up, the keyboard, right? And you see how it's blinking? Search or enter website here, right? That's where you type in where you want to go. So let's say you want to go to Amazon. So type in Amazon. Amazon, right? After you type it, you don't have to go up here. You can if you want because it gives you suggestions. But if you just want to go wherever you type in, just click on the little blue icon, right? Click on it. So now this will come up, right? Most of the time I would say would like to use your location. If yours is set up like that, you could press allow or don't allow. It really don't matter. I don't care, right? But anyways, after you do that, it will show you links of where Amazon was. Wherever the word Amazon was at, it's going to pull it up, right? You want to know the history of it? In Wikipedia, it's like a, history of the company. Go ahead, right? News or anything like that, it'll pop up. So think of this like a library. Like you go to the librarian and you're like, hey, I want to look for Amazon. And then they go, do. Okay, here. These are all the books that have something about Amazon. And it give you the location. Same concept here. They just give you a bunch of links of where Amazon is. So don't get frustrated because you went down here or something and you clicked Amazon careers, but it's not the website. Well, yeah, duh. It's Amazon careers. But let's say you clicked on it by accident, right? Usually you'll just click on the blue or anywhere right here. Just click on it. And then you go to the website, right? Sometimes this is for cookies, not to eat, but it's like, for the website. You could accept or reject that. I don't care. Just accept it if you want. And you're in this website and you're like, this is not Amazon. It says Amazon Jobs. Unless you're looking for a job, right? First things first. Let's say you were scrolling and you're like, what the hell? This is not it. To go back, you can swipe from here back, right? But most likely, to make it easier on you, you can scroll up and you see how this kind of went small and big. And this popped up, this little icon. Because I went up, you can do that. You can go up, right? But if you forget that, just click on this. Just click on it. And see how I made it bigger? Now you just click on this little icon. This little back icon. That's it. And then now you go back up. And oh, there goes Amazon. This is the one I want, right? Click on it. Don't be afraid. It won't bite. If you have the Amazon app, it will open it, right? If you don't, it will just open the website. And that's fine. Just open the website, right? Now that you're in the website, you can search whatever you want. So remember the same way that I was down here where you search the internet, right? Any web page you go to, if there's a search function, you will see a little search magnifying glass or search box like this. And that's basically it. You just click on that. And let's say you wanted shoes, right? You go shoes. And see how it says, it gives you suggestions for man, for woman, right? You can select those if you want. So woman. And then that's it. It will show you a bunch of links on shoes. Simple. That's it. So let's say you like these shoes for church, right? Click on it. Click on the image, click on here. It don't matter. Just click on it. Like push with your finger. It will open up that shoe. And then you can go down here. You go sizes, the price, you know. You scroll down, you can read stuff, right? Let's say you want to go back. Remember how to go back. Usually if you go up, this will pop up. But if you don't see it and you forgot, just click on this. Just click on it. And then press the back button. That's it. That's it. All right. So let's say you want to search something again. You don't have to go all the way back. Just click on this. Look, click on it. And then you see this little X right here? It will make all of this clear up. Just click on the little X. Not this X. This little X. See right here. This little one. Because if you click on this big one, see, look, this is what it's going to do. Just goes back. So if it does that, click on this box. And then click on the little X. The little one, right? Boom. And then from here, you can search, right? Again. So let's say I want to make some Spanish rice. You can just write how to make Spanish rice. Right? So remember, if it doesn't give you a suggestion or anything, it don't matter. Just click on the little blue icon. It's like pressing enter. Press enter, and there you go. It will give you a bunch of links on where to go on how to make Spanish rice, right? All right, so let's go to some advanced stuff, right? Let's say you liked, let me see, let me pick one. Let me pick a link. Let's pick this one, Mole Mama, right? Boom, click on it, right? Now it goes to here. Remember, if there's pop-up, it's fine. Just press OK. It's freaking fine. Ain't gonna kill you. No, I don't want to subscribe. See, usually if something like this pops up and you don't know what to do, look, just look for a little X, see? Little X. Don't be afraid to look. Something will be right there. But usually it's right there. So just press the X, okay? Hold on. There you go. Press the X. Boom, right? So this is a recipe that you want, right? But you want to keep it because this looks pretty good, right? You see these little 3 dots? Just click on the 3 dots. And you can click add to bookmarks. That's simple. You can add it to bookmarks. And then in bookmarks, you see the little icon right here? This is where you click on and it will show you all the bookmarks that you have saved. So let's say you want to share this to someone. See the little button? You share it. That's it. Pretty much it. Okay? So, usually, and I'm pretty sure you have this issue, where you went to the internet and there's a bunch of tabs open, but you don't know what tabs are, right? So let me do another tab. See how it says all tabs? Right here? I'll click on it. There's only one page, right? But more likely, you're going to have a lot of pages. Look, I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay. Because every time that you open it, sometimes it will just create a new tab. It's like a new folder. So click on the 3 dots. And this is what maybe you're going to have this issue because I'm pretty sure you have like 20 to 50 to 100 tabs open. Click on this, on the little 3 dots. Click on all tabs. And you'll see all, if you have 100 of them, and I wouldn't be surprised if you do. Just click on the little X to close it. You see the little X? You see? Boop. Little X. Boop. Little X. Boop. Just click on it. Boom. It will close it. Boom. Go to the next one. Boom. Right? Now you only have 1 tab. To go to this page, you can click on this or just click on this. It'll go back to the page. That's it. That's literally it. So remember, This box is to search the internet or to go to a website. You just click on it and you see the little X, this little one. Click on it to clear it. You can search anything that you want. How to make mayonnaise, how to cook or bake, or I don't care, anything. Or someone tells you, hey, could you go to my website and they give you an address? Just put it right there. And remember, always, after you type in whatever you want, this little thing is going to turn blue. So let's say how to bake pecan bread. Like that. You can click on the little blue icon. That's it. Boom. And then it will show you links. Now, if there's an AI, it will show you AI too. And then you can click on show more. And it will give you like kind of like instructions that it pulled from online how to make it. But if you're stuck here and you're like, I want to go back. I want to go back. What the hell? You can go up or you can click on the little X. See? Little X. It's easy. And that's it. And then you'll see a bunch of links. Yeah. And then when you're done with the internet, just close it. Remember, just swipe from the bottom of the iPhone right here. Boom, up. Like you put your finger up here and then you swipe up. That's it. And then when you do that, it will close it. And that's it. Boom, done. Got a missed call. All right, well, that's it on how to use the internet. So if you want something else, just let me know. Okay.